That high-pitched whistle is more than an irritating sound. It can tell you exactly where water is being restricted. Try changing the handle position and listen to what happens. If the whistle changes or disappears when you increase the flow, check the aerator first. Mineral deposits inside its narrow screen can force water through a smaller opening and create the noise. Remove the aerator and briefly run the faucet. If the whistle disappears, clean or replace it. If the sound remains, look beneath the sink. A partially closed shutoff valve can create a similar restriction. Make sure both valves are fully open, but never force one that is stuck or corroded. Also inspect the supply hoses for sharp bends or crushed sections. A whistle that appears only at a particular handle position often points to a worn or loose cartridge. As water passes the damaged internal seal, it can make the component vibrate. Replacing the cartridge with an exact match normally corrects that problem. Now test other fixtures. If several faucets whistle or the sound seems to come from inside the walls, the cause may be excessive water pressure, a pressure regulator problem, or a restricted main valve that requires a system-level diagnosis rather than another faucet repair. Use the sound as a clue. Where and when the whistle appears will lead you toward the restriction. Subscribe for more home repair guides that help you diagnose the problem before replacing parts.